If you are looking for how to convert your Word document into PDF file but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can save your documents as PDF file on your computer, whether it's a simple document or a specific file. So make sure to watch the video till the end. First, open the Word document that you want to save as a PDF file. Once it's open, click on the File menu and select the Save As option. Now, just at the bottom, you'll find Browse icon and choose the path that you want to save your file. After that, under the Save As type, List of Documents format will show up. Click on the option which says PDF and save it. And that's it. The document is now saved as a PDF on your computer, ready to be accessed whenever you want. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.